yazi ngiyazithanda indaba yazi bani ngibhebhisayila ijosi
Ubani?
uThabo.
Who's Thabo? Black Motion. Hey! You know what I call him? Duracell. Have you seen him on the drums?
Yeah.
Henda, Barimini, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another special edition of Podcast and Chill. Manje Glomile enjoy game. Just Coco number 1. Round of applause for Zoto Wabantu. From now on, you're Zoto Wamakaiva.
Yes, please ngomthathi nje yangifanela ngifuthi. Pen.
All right.
Right, Tiputwam.
Thank you for coming, man. I've been wanting you on the show for such a long time.
Thank you. I'm here for you.
Yeah. By the way, Ghost Lady is here. She's the one who's been you've been talking to. Yeah. Are you wearing a panty? No.
No.
You don't wear
I
panty?
don't wear. Can I show you?
Yeah. So early.
Oh, okay.
You show us later.
Okay.
What is it about you not wearing a panty? Is it comfortable?
Yeah, nje mnandi nalo nje. You know, fresh air.
Yeah. You know, like most people, no? I never really understood you until I watched your reality show.
Oh,
I was like,
you.
fuck, that's my girl.
Thank you so much.
I think the reality show helped to make people understand who you are.
True.
Ne?
Kakhulu
Yeah.
ngisizile because bengizohlezi ngilwa izimpi. You know, wonke umuntu unombono ngami. And it's easy to label me. So angisaphiki ngithi vele, you know, because yangifanela yonke into.
But I don't like it when you say, he's fabbing, I'm selling my ass and whatever.
No, those things I just say it because those who are at the back of their phones, they say it. So me, I'm taking the power off them.
Oh, okay.
As in, you say, I can say it freely. Once I say it, they say, Mara, why she's like that? But it's good to be kanjalo.
But my thing is, wabona, whether you're a musician or you're doing a podcast or whatever you do, if someone coquette and gives you money, it means what you're doing has value.
Yes, but in the same manner and value, some people that want the same money as I want, they feel they are talented, they feel I shouldn't have the right to be on the same stage as them. But thank God, this book are promoters and owners and even organizers. So I don't have to explain myself to any artist because ulapha kulela staging 80,000, I'm there now 40,000 SCM. So asingabangisaneni nje. You are talented, now I'm talented with my S.
Yeah. And what happened to your boyfriend, the one you were dating on the show? Because you guys look so in love.
I make them all look in love. That's me. I'm love, you know.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to try.
Yeah. I saw when you bought him when you were buying lingerie for him.
Oh yeah.
That was
I buy everything.
Yeah. What happened with him?
The first one or the second one?
I think it's the
first one.
The one on the show.
Oh yes. That's Ntobeko.
Yeah,
that's Ntobeko. Broke up. I think it's the fame thing. Once I love them, I expose them. Then they wanna be Chris Brown, and I'm not Rihanna. You know, I'm Zoto.
So you didn't cheat, you didn't get bored, nothing?
No. They don't cheat, you know, because now you stay in my house. Yeah. Like, when yeah. No, they don't. Before be out, like, on Sunday Wells and the Sun, or them talking, you know, or do you think in a tulis febe? It's for no lie. Sing out to the so no.
And then what happened to the lobola? Did you get the money back?
Yes, I did.
Is it?
When?
How much was it?
It was 90.
So what happens? You go to the family meeting, tell him Maliam.
Yeah.
So that's just like
this is one like before the breakup. So he knows since as we're talking if so pelile. Angicabani nabantu mina. I just live my life. I make them live theirs. become better. Yeah, so I don't have bitter. You can be bitter if you, you know, you thought maybe I'm gonna cry, and you know, I can be sad for 2 weeks. Yeah, people are gone. Oh, you know.
You know, whenever I'm in KZN, I always hear guys say, I say I'm so pepping gun.
Yes.
When you do it literally?
Wow, okay. Nice one. Ingane, yeah.
Who's the second one? I don't know the second one.
Let's not give him the
attention,
the platform and the attention.
What do you think young guys like? What do you like young guys?
I love the attention, the energy that they have, as in to follow me around, help me with my traveling, my driving.
But old guys can do that too.
I know, bazofuna ngibawashele, ngibaphekele. Angifuni ukumshaya. Angifebele sibe about 3 because he has power or money. You know, ungakhohlwa phela ngibuya koMandla Mthembu, so angisafuni ukucontrola nokuphathwa. So yeah. Yeah, it's just attention. I love having attention from my men. Yeah, so they are young, they have energy, they listen to what you saying or want. Yeah.
Is it also because you can control them in a way?
Yes, you can. That's why they don't cheat. Yeah.
And then what did you think, you know, when everybody was saying like, Soto was the female version of R. Kelly, wada.
I saw everything. I saw. That's none of my business. They always talk female of R. Kelly version. Hi, mina nguZodwa abantu wase South Africa. Yeah.
And the thing is, men have been doing it for a long time in terms of dating younger women.
Yeah.
So what's wrong with the women dating younger guys? I mean, there's consent, ain't it?
I don't know what's the problem, because si happy the family basbonke with the family, they are above 21. Baqedile isikole baba untobeko besebenza, the other one say university but is an entrepreneur. So nje akho ngane nje sikhokha, akho ngane. Angibhebhi ingane.
And then Utabang is a Benton. Is he your type?
Uhamba nami nje. Taban, I'm taking you.
What about me? Am I your type?
Sasibiyele eThekwini.
Am I your type?
Yeah, ngikutshelile mosingaphandle.
Hey.
So ngikuthande from kudala idlo mnyamane. You know.
What is your type, Vele? What kind of guys do you like?
Angishelwa, angimthanda umfana ophaphaya. Ngifuna when we are in a room like this club or any club or Chisanyama, if in about 500 or 1,000, maybe 200 women, as in it's a mix, it's nice, you know, asazan song. Ngifuna lo othatha isikhathi. Nina ningashelana ni flat, I can't flat mina. Antona ngifuna ngiyithatha. Ngizokutshela McJ ngiyakuthanda. And kusasa seThekwini benzele wena la. So uthini? You know? So ngithanda lo ozothatha isikhathi ngathi unamahloni ufuna ukungazi, because I'm not all over the place. I look like ngithanda izinto, but nje ngulomuntu lo ngifuna ungifune, you know. Yeah. Then utholile attention yami, then ngiyavuma nje, anginawo umsipha lotho.
Okay.
Nginalo.
And that's it. That's all you want.
Attention. Because remember, I'm loved worldwide. I've been to Australia, Dubai, UK, USA.
Wow.
You know, just for being Zodwa.
Yeah.
Not because kune talent or resource or whatever. Even Tira will say, Zodwa njobu bizo USA or Australia, please fake lipstick or makeup. It's no Tira. Bafunelo Zodwa lo. Imagine saying ngiyalenda, I-promoter, but we booked that Zodwa. Not this one, you know. So you should always be yourself. There's a market for everyone.
Do you think these guys use you as like a ladder to success? Because you're big.
I know I'm very big. I wouldn't say they use me, because I love them. I allow them to wear the sneakers from Dubai, the t-shirts, the jeans from wherever I travel to, whether in Botswana, the best watch, phones. So it's me, Engba Pejelayo. So the problem that ends our relationship, they think now they are Chris Brown. They think now they can play a certain role. Remember, you are dating me because the role that you have to play is on me. The focus should be me. I just need love. The rest I can do for myself. Then that's the only time. Then you're born with I make G. Second by Chris Brown. And if you things allow, I can see the signs. So my instructions are male good myself keep inyawo out of our relationship. After you keep a sense of born with so funung jolel. Remember thinking so nyabekezela so ngikstoppa usazilungisa ngithi uyabona so right manje so right ugcokile uzothi ugcokisile bese ke asengiyabona ukuthi akusaso make G wami lo seka uChris Brown then ila ngithi ke le ayisafuni mina sengigrand so angikumeli ukuthi uzube nempiko zokuphapha yeah.
And then you always mentioning that you just want to be loved. Have you ever been loved?
Loved. I think I'm loved on any relationship that I choose because the feeling is about myself. I love being loved. It's not about lasting 4 years, 5 years or whatever.
Which guy loved you?
I love all my guys.
You love them. Do they love you?
They do because we've spent years. It's not a 6 months thing or 8 months thing. Remember, you stay with me. You wake up with me.
Who's that one guy you're like, yeah, no, la, bengthandwa la?
I love all of them. I love all of them. No, I can't because I make myself happy. I take what I want. As you saying, maybe they elevate themselves. I think they take what they need or what they lack. Me, I need love. So anyone that I date, I find what I want, then I'm in love. So tomorrow I can say it has ended. Tomorrow I'm gonna love. If you are Babala on Google, that's your job. Mina, I'm a Libra, born October 9. I fall in love, and it ends. I'll find another one.
Why are you called Libram Vel?
That's my surname.
Surname?
Yeah, Libram.
Is that what?
Colored.
Oh, are you colored?
Xhosa colored, yeah.
You
father,
colored?
Yeah.
You lie.
My father, yeah. My mom is a Xhosa.
Is it?
Yeah.
I never knew that.
No.
Do you remember the first time you had sex?
Yes.
Boba, nasty see?
Oh, no. Oh, angakamuhle. I would love to. Angakamuhle. What's kanjani kusafana?
I get to pumete in.
First time. Yeah, with a guy called Gugu. Yeah. He's still around.
Where was this? How old
Same
were you?
street. Ekhaya said 23, uGugu kuse 15. Yeah.
Soweto.
Yeah, same street. Yeah.
Do you still talk to him now?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah. Yeah. No. Sakhulile, I think unengane eziwu2. Yeah.
How did you meet him?
Ekas. Like same street. It's not the same street, yeah. But bengimbhebha na ebuye boarding school because he had a better background in upbringing. So you
benijola.
Yeah, but mina bengajoli because bengihluphekile. So I was this girl nje always ontshontshwayo, I didn't have the privilege of being the main one
during this day.
All my relationships, like that's why manje ngixoleli nje imindoda. Imindoda. Yeah.
So who approaches you? Do you go to Google and say, "Hey, you know what, Nyakuthanda," or he comes to you?
uGugu, I think I was young as he was my first guy who took my virginity. Hayi bengakasheli lapha mina bengihlupheki so bengengishele nje ukuqala.
So ushela wena?
Not yes, ushele mina, yeah. Yeah.
And then when do you decide, okay, I'm going to break my virginity with him?
I didn't decide. I thought I'm in love or I like him, or like I'm ready. You know, Tina, growing up from a Soweto, akufana semakhaya where you take the virginity like it's gold, like a vendor. You know, they treasure it, and Zulus treasure it. You know, Tina Soweto, sashibiri kanje. You know. Sashibiri.
So he breaks the virginity. Are you like, I can't do this thing? It's not really that.
You know.
Is it? It's like that.
I not value, like, you know. I know that women who take it like as matric, maybe diploma or degree, they use it.
So I want a 30-day rule when.
I know ways. If I'm horny, I'm horny. Oh, shame. And Ugucha, now that I'm single, I'm trying to go out with different guys. Thank God no one's gonna blackmail me or I'm a pepper or whatever, because I came out that I'm single and I'm looking and I'm having sex. So yeah, I'm having sex.
Is that why you're looking at that Gomorrah guy?
Oh, Ntobeko. Hi, Ntobeko.
Hey, are you looking for me? Has he hit you up yet? Has he DM'd you?
DM.
Some DMs. What's he saying? Utin? Angibonisi DM between you guys.
Okay. Shame me.
I don't even know this
it's
guy.
It's fine, Nami. Manga.
Is he that big, this guy? Because I don't watch Gomorrah. Is he like a ladies' man?
I don't know, but sometimes song. But mina ke uthando yimi kuqala. Na.
Okay, think
ba. Nako.
Ayo.
Yabo. Beka.
Oh,
Yabo.
That's him.
Inle.
Yeah, that's him. So he could be your next Ben 10.
I know, now I just want to have fun.
What does that
anyway, lockdown broke, so I can't afford Ben 10.
What does it mean when Zoto says I want to have fun? What does that mean?
Like, Machina started to shoot la. I Wednesday, just buy 2 bottles. I'm bored. A hotel. Kusasa ngangahamba ukuyethekini ngihambe Friday. Awucabanga ukuthi ungavukelwa nje, you know, nasesicede ukuphuza, you know, asithandani, then uyachama then we okay.
How long can you go without having sex?
No ways. I can't. 2 weeks it's enough. It's enough. Shame.
2 weeks is too much.
Yabona if umeji uthi busy. Lo, I'm trying to date. Ngiyayistata nje imoto ngitshela umngane wami ngithi siyaphuma siyohunta. Yeah.
2 weeks.
Hayibo angilungi isikhokho no way ngimdala phela, you know, wife neyizirobhe.
So how long have you been without having sex now?
Not now. No, ungangincitshi sex. Now. Ugcine nini mnganami?
Oh, what was he there?
Nobani kuphi ungasigama nokuphi? Nobani? Let me think.
It's recent.
Hayi ubani ngimpephile. La Joburg. Let me think. Wait. Sifike phela la Joburg Monday,
yeah.
Yeah.
Sebakuphephile already.
Shooter no. ENCA. Tuesday ngadakwa as in yesterday. Hayi mngane I'm waiting ngizama ukukhumbula. Monday. Sunday eThekwini. Hayibo in my house. How ngisashooting ngiphephisa Joburg. Hayibo. Yazi ngiyazithanda indaba. Yazi bani ngiphephisa la Josi.
Ubani?
Uthabo.
Who's Thabo? Black Motion. Hey! You know what I call him? Duracell. Have you seen him on the drums?
Yeah. That's out.
I heard he's a good lay, Thabo.
Is it good?
I heard he's a good lay. Like upepisa kamnandi.
Oh, you heard?
Yeah.
When we out.
No, there's a girl that I know where I'm pepisa.
Yo, so was the omunye girl.
And I'm tired to Thabo, ne?
Angimthandi. Uyangichaza nje.
Energizer party. Anyway, let's talk about, because I had Kanye Mbao.
Yeah.
When was it? A month ago. And she was talking about, we're talking about Mandla.
Okay.
She was talking about how Mandla was that guy, you know, like You'd come to the Rock. Obviously, that's where you guys
Yes.
met, and you guys would chill in the garage, sitting on crate
Yeah.
in Shaingutu. And she said she was like the trophy wife,
Oh, okay.
and then you were like the one he could like relate to and just be
Okay.
himself type of vibe.
Oh, yes.
Would you
true.
say that is true?
Yes, it's true. It's true. Not on going back with Kanye. Kanye, we okay.
Oh, you guys are good now, ne?
She's been on my reality show.
Yeah, I
like,
saw.
come on.
That was a hectic episode. Yo.
You know, so we fine. We both hustlers. You know, I don't want to use the other words because you know, she's a brand on her own.
Yes,
so
yes.
I can talk on myself. I'm just that woman where, like now when she look at me. So abantu thandwane like yabo le cherry pantsula nibheke nje vuka geza fake vaseline yabangena manje uze showini yami ngathi uvuke somewhere like I'm myself. I don't need to paint myself or to do whatever. So with guys, you will when we are women tend to think like she's not like, you know, she's not
On my level.
a threat or whatever. Then gay I uzongithola phasi kwecarpet yakho. Because vele you're not looking at me.
And how was it when you were with Mandla? Because he had money at that time.
I was just happy that iLambogini is a room lam ekasi. And I remember I'm telling you about my background, ukuthi like ngikhule ngisokola kithi, you know, in a 4-room. Ugcoke into eyi-1, you know, awunane stress vele ayikho imali. So ngishele uMandla like after ehamba noKhanya the Rock abhala inamba. Iwaitress egcoke isupheka.
Did you know who he is when abhali number? Did you know who Mandla was?
Bengimbona like as in besazi ukuthi noKhanya.
Okay.
Yeah. So abhala inamba wanginika. Nami ngithi you know, I can't wait to meet him. Yo, ngizomropa maybe, you know, back in the days like ngizomropa 5,000, happy, you know. Then that's how it started. Then he would come angasazifihli like iLambogini ubani bengeke ayibona. It's like lela baslam.
Yeah.
Like you understand. So I'm like nangazifihli.
Why must I?
Yeah, cause okay. Our first outing, yes, Melrose Arc. He gave me codes for the penthouse.
Serious?
You understand? Yeah. You know.
And the penthouse.
Kakhulu. Ngicabanga nokuntshontsha icicila kaKhanya ukuthi nangalikhona Cash Crusaders. You know, me thinking like, you know, ijewelry yakhe like you know nangabuyela elokishini ngale ring. Ngom. Yeah, so yeah.
So wafike Mandla, paki Porsche or iLambogini.
iLambogini, yeah.
What would you guys do?
How bengena escape nje sombhedo wami. Like ichera sekasi esokolelayo eqale ukusebenza at the Rock as iphisa nama tissue toilet to butha amabhodlela to like this place then ngaba ibalady. Then sengihola ngasitholela iroom ke lelo babe wami angina fridge you buy me a double door asangena ama double door yakhumbula Joshua door ahambe athi seka swipile I'll just pick up everything that he has bought for me.
Oh wow.
Yeah, ebeya like maybe you'll send somebody but mina angifuna ukwazi mina kuthiwe ngihambe ngiyo pick up nje ukuthi into ezisoseziswipiwe then address delivery, you know, mina bengenza ukufunwa yimina and kwilevel engikuyo and not knowing what levels other women live or do. Mina lebe way yami as in I was happy, you know, you would give me 100k. Imagine maybe at the Rock bengihola
Just nje.
At the Rock bengihola maybe even 2.5
a night.
Then ama tips no even a month but you yenzani now une bill that's more
Yeah.
then you get
tips.
yes. Yeah, So yeah, he would come. We would
What
sit.
would you guys talk about?
Oh, nothing. Oh, nothing. 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 I wanted money. He wanted sex. But bephumula. Bephumula. You know.
Was he good in bed?
No, I don't care. I didn't care. I don't even remember. Transaction is coco. It's been going on for 3 years. Yeah, that relationship.
But it wasn't a transaction. I need to be a shy sonor. That's more than a transaction.
No. Transaction, when I'm saying money, as in he was benefiting, I'm benefiting.
Yeah.
So whether it's sonor or not, it's the same transaction. I wanted money. Yeah. He wanted sex.
When I watched that episode with you and Kanye, I got a feeling like your son is Mandla's son.
Oh, a feeling my son is still asking me, like, Zuzu, tell me really, is my father or Mandla is...
Who does he think his father is?
No, he knows his father is.
Oh, he knows?
Yeah.
Your son?
Yeah, he knows.
So you know who his dad is?
Yeah.
Oh, so what did you tell us?
I didn't tell her it was a reality show for listening, viewership.
Oh, it was just part of the show. Oh,
you know,
okay.
and it was my show.
Yes.
You know, this is your show.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. No, I thought Mandla was the dad.
No. You know, with your show, you touch topics where people they don't want to talk about, things that you have experienced, people, things that they say behind your back. Then when you lay them on the table, everybody's like, oh, because you want to talk about them. But people know, they can say anything they like or want. But if you take that from them, it's okay, let's do it. My friend, you'll see the truth. Like,
so Mandla's not the father. We've got that out the way.
No, he's not shame. No. Kanye, that was for my show. That was for my show.
So if Mandla back then wanted his temper between you and Kanye, would you have said yes?
Yeah, mina cause benzoba lo kasigel. Yeah, njoba shona uKanye ukuthi he will relate to me.
Yes.
More cause bephumula again. You know, ukuphumula, do you know ukuphumula in? I'm not gonna say when you go to bed or when you pray. Like in the sesiguyo. There's a day and time or month where you say uyaphumula, umuntu uyakuphumuza, like you feel calm, kind,
at
happy,
peace.
at peace. Yes, you understand. I think that's why we have partners where utibane nefebe zonke zumejiro anywhere taboo abanye bakubeke ngekhekhe in. But now as good uyaphumula to this certain woman, uyaphumula. Then the other women, but why yena? You understand? Same as me. You can ask me about any guy. You get now that I can't date a millionaire because ngiyasebenzela nami.
Yeah.
Back in the days, yeah. But now
It's survival.
We understand. Now, even now, let's say in the entertainment industry, you can ask me, ubani ubonani kimi? Like uzibulala ngenhliziyo because uThabo ngiyamazi. You understand? So abantu ba empty, they think them saying I'm not pretty enough, zoto scafes, zoto kukile, or this and that, the guy is younger, or no akamfanelanga. Like, look at, I don't want to say inside, I make people come and be themselves. Like, you know, I have love. Like, I'm a beautiful soul, you know. So you can't do it. No man is febesi green, it's febesi yellow, it's febesi blue, it's febesi pink, it's febesi brown. If there's uzodwa in that mix, as khohle zonke lezo ifebe. I phuma mina phambili. And uzomemeza ulweni oyakho in if ngiyithandile khohlo namanga angeke ingakhethi mina ngulo muntu lo ngisifebe semnandi.
If Mandla was here, what would you want to say to him right now?
I will help him if he doesn't have money. I'll give him, I have a 3-bedroom house. I'll give him a room where he can sleep. I'll offer him, because I was hungry. Being a family, a Brazilian, a Peruvian, or whatever, I was hungry. So yena ungishala kwakhe I saw bread and eggs, you know.
Wouldn't you ask him, what did you see in me?
No ways. I know what he saw. Like, look at me, I'm still the shit now. You know, I'm still the shit. Babona manje. When bonan.
Superstar. Okay, so Zodwa,
Yeah.
you come from nothing.
Yes.
You get in the industry.
Yeah.
Everybody wants a piece of you. You are now chilling with like Tira, Skido, all these people.
Yes.
Are you not going crazy? Because these are the people that you saw on TV.
Yeah.
And there's no rule book into the industry.
Nope. I respect them. They're not my friends, and I don't have a right to chill with them. The only time if you see me chilling with them is because we are in the same venue. I can call Oskido, I can call Tira, I have their numbers here. Like all the people that I can take or took something as in to learn, to better myself. But Oskido, imagine sitting down because Oskido is giving you a bottle. Take that bottle and run. Go and sit somewhere there with your friends. Awukakasebenzi to sit with Oskido. Hayi awukakasebenzi to sit with Utira. If Utira offers you a case of Hennessy, Setabu, Nishaisene maybe Anchelananga, because we all running our brands differently, but he has a recording label which I fall under, but I can't report on anything that Nyakumet G or whatever, but he knows who to know Zodwa. You understand? So if I bump into him, it's me who say, Tira, ngicela amahene saw 3, namanzi saw 6 in. Take those drinks and run. Go find your own corner.
Yeah.
And enjoy.
But
you can't sit with him.
How come that shit didn't get into your head? Because I mean, you don't know fame before,
Yeah.
you were Zodwa.
Yeah.
And now all these people
Yeah.
who you idolized, now
Yes.
idolizing you. Doesn't
Yeah.
that shit get into your head like, sengfikile manje?
Nope. I think ngibonga ukuthi fame ize ngimdala. Don't you think?
UK. Yes.
Yeah. I think if I was 20, I would be fucked by now. So ize ngimdala, I really appreciate, because njoba ngikutshela nje sikhokho sami, wanginikile le bhodlela or uTira lecethe ukungifakela imali yokusebenza, ngiyabaleka. Ngiyashifta. Angakasebenzi ukuthi ngahlala noTira ngidle pizza. If we in that space of the pizza, ngiyadla fast, ngiyashifta. Kufuneka ngiyodlala nentanga zami. To him I can only listen na athi Zodwa ngifuna ukubona oze officeini. 1 2 3 4 5 umsebenzi wakho, ama-booking wakho, enye kufuna eBotswana, this and that. You understand? Or this is something you want to do in. You listen, you fuck off. So not you wake up, hey, yasitira kuyatshisa la ngaphandle. Nja yami, aza ngiboni, or Oskido. Isikhokho.
But didn't you meet like Bonang and be like, wow, Bonang knows me?
No, even Bonang. She said I'm pretty.
Wow.
I remember she was hosting Mzansi Awards,
DSTV Awards.
DSTV Awards, yeah. So we were doing the rehearsals, mic, blah blah blah. Then that is like just saying, Zodwa, you're so pretty, I'm saying, oh, thank you. Then I'm looking at her. I'm like, oh, wow. Peltusi, I always talk with Peltusi, like she's my girl. Peltusi sometimes will say, Zodwa, namhlanje ngifuna ukuba njengesifebe njengawe, they feel me. They've all been on my reality show, not Bonang, but Bonang gave me a shout out to her own reality show. Yes. As in tonight, Mokel ngifuna ukuba uzodwa abantu. So those women, you are like from poverty. I don't even change myself.
Yes.
I don't want to be accepted.
Exactly, yes.
I don't want to try to put in bonang,
But they still love you.
Yes, or try to get the same hair bonang, or even if I'm working with them, knowing that they're gonna be on my reality show, I pop up like this. Yes, Bokel. Then they are like, Zoto, way too, Tantangriza, Zoto, withdraw so much strength from you, like Nandi Madita, like all those women, I talk to them, women, they're not my friends, as in when I say, I can call them there and say, no, we only talk about, isn't this Zakayo, Yeah, so, I love them, and I think it's because I'm me. There's space for me. There's no line.
Was there a Zoto before you? Was there someone who was doing what you were doing?
No ways. Who?
But that's what I'm saying, Zoto.
No, this is me, and can't be another Zoto. I know they've tried on Daily Sun saying, "Ming nendu nentle encha Zoto must move." Nendu hamelana lengondo. It's not just endunu, you know.
But my thing is, I don't understand how you cannot fall into the whole trap that most people do when they get famous and they lose themselves. How you can still
I don't want to
remain.
lose myself. Yo.
That is powerful, bruh.
I don't want to lose myself. The only important thing that I have that no one can take it away from me is me, and I'm fooling ngami skoko. Angifuni ngami. Yabona if bengafuni ukuzala bengengiza ngifuni ngami mina. Ngiyazi ngine value, and anything that I touch trend, anything that I say, anything that I do in a impact. You learn, you talk, you cry, you question, uyasaba, you judge. So it shows that anything that I can say or teach you, it makes people talk. They debate, they fight. It's gonna go on radio, papers. When they saw untobeko Gomora, attend for 2 days. But I ain't dunia ukuthi ngiyobubani bani. Le scandal les No.
I heard some scandal that you've got some snake or something. What in Mamlambo?
No, manga.
What is that?
It's a snake. Kuvilakazi Street. There's a house. Yama pets. You pay 200 rands, then you can touch. Look, it's like a zoo. Yes.
But what is the Mamlambo thing? I don't know that.
Mamlambo, like you wanting to be rich. So black people say, just like when they say Limpopo Gyaloyo.
Yes.
Yes,
yeah.
Something like Mamlambo. It's maybe having a bottle, like a small bottle where
of grandeur. Yes, I want to be rich. Yes.
They say you buy it to your Sangoma for how much, then it gives you the power of money, blah blah blah. They say it like that.
So the scandal was that you had a snake like that.
No, it's just a picture. Me, I was in Vilakazi Street, even if I was at a zoo, holding a snake at the zoo. Then after that picture, anybody captioned it, whatever, something like
Fuck,
that.
I didn't know that existed, eh?
Vilakazi Street, I forgot that house.
Where can I get this Mamlambo snake? I want to be rich.
No, I don't know, but you can try in Venda. They say they're good with witchcraft.
So I must go back home.
I'm telling you, try and find out there. I think there's something.
Yeah. What about Muti? Have you ever dabbled in Muti, like maybe to get a guy or something?
You see, now that I'm sitting here,
I'm
using Muti, but I don't use it on a guy. Me sitting here, I'm using Muti.
What Muti is this?
No, it's for me. It's mine. Yeah.
That's why we love you, ne?
You can say
it's the Muti.
You can say
Nami ngiyifuna.
Yeah. Okay, ufonele.
Mele ngipepele o.
I know. Uzozikhethela wena.
Sexually transmitted.
No. Uzozikhethela wena ufuna
ube
one.
There's one thing that I saw on your show, I was like, fuck, this is crazy. When you went to go buy a coffin,
Oh, yes.
I was like, who the fuck buys a coffin?
Alive.
Alive.
Yeah.
Why did you do that? Before I tell you what I thought.
Growing up and leaving home when I was 16, my family would say, ngiphethwe stage, leaving home, uzozibona ukuthi uzophelela because I don't have a mom. My mom passed away when I was 12. I don't know my father. So, nokuhlupheka, where they will hide bread, eggs or rama, insipho yokugeza. So, you know, now...
These are the people that are raising you.
Yes.
Yes.
After my mom passed away.
So they didn't like you, no?
Yeah.
That's
not even like
bad,
love, you know.
And you're a child, you don't know anything.
Yes, and I've learned
Mo
from...
free for you, the one every Sunday, Melo free.
No, was kahle ngiyo stock amapiya ekhaya bokuthengiswa. Ngilale ngo-3 bokuthengiswa nesikopo namanqina so nje.
What did you think at this time? Because you're young, you don't know what's happening. Did you think, this is life?
Yeah, ngiyacabanga ukuthi it's life, but once I saw that they wanted me to feed myself, ila I've learned that, you know, I think the only valuable thing I have is my pussy. So if ibengifihlela izinto and I will go hungry or starve, that means I can find my own way.
But how do you know that at 16 that your pussy is valuable?
You know, yeah, you know, as much we'll think pussy and the age, but uNkulunkulu sometimes ungidlulisa entweni for you to learn. And uwazi nento yenzayo undlule kuyo. Then that's why we're here today. So
because I'm thinking maybe you saw someone, Stratton Sako, who was selling their pussy. And you're like, okay.
Oh, no. So, No. I was young and in my street there was no one selling pussy. You learn this thing. When you are in that situation, Mekchi.
It's survival.
Yes. I was on it. uNkulunkulu gives you, or Satan, we can use both. The devil, God. Because with God, abantu basemhlabeni, do you think I can sit here, ungishile rumini lakho, as in I'm your girlfriend?
Yeah.
Then we are a vendor. Aphela ugesi, aphela amanzi, you're not paying the bills. Then you say ngiyahlala nami ngithi ngilambile. Do you think I'll survive even 4 days without food? Don't you think reality will kick in the what must I do? You understand? So it's those things. So from ukubona ukuthi uyalamba, ufihlela amaqanda esinkwa, reality kicks in.
So no one from your family said, okay, Zota, go to school, do this. This is how you can make money.
I go to school while I sleep at 3 selling those beers?
They didn't care about your livelihood.
No.
And you still go back to them now, Zota. And you smile with them.
That's why I've smiled with them so many years. I've worked, even sasebenza at The Rock, sasebenza as a debt collector until I spoke about them on my reality show. I've never set foot. But season 2, we're going back. Then they will also voice out, because I think we have to give them
the other side of the story.
Yes. So I want to give them that, not because of Ngenzela Bona. It's my reality show. I will always give my people both sides, so that I said what I said. I'm still gonna say it, but ngifuna maybe basho their anger. Kuthi msunganyoko lento, you know, anything.
But you weren't a problem child. You don't sound like you're a problem child.
No.
And you don't resent them. You don't have any animosity.
No, I did, which it was holding my life. Then after I forgave them, then God gave me Uzoto Abantu. Just like that. Yeah. So, you know, I will even take my salary. After they finish it, they go back to hating me. Like, I would buy ubuhle ama sneakers Edgar's. They would say ama sneakers ngiwathenge estradini, ngithathe box estradini ngafaka ukuthi kube ibox le Nike or le Adidas. So anything that I did, it was not genuine for them to accept. They felt ukuthi ngithenga amateki 100 rand. Then I took a box elibhaliwe 800. So anything that I would do.
Don't you think they had a part to play in who you are right now in terms of just hear me
Yeah,
out?
they
né?
did.
In terms of hear me out.
Yeah.
né? In terms of you knew from a young age.
Yeah.
You're an old woman now,
Yeah.
but you still practice this thing, which is to feed yourself.
Yes.
They taught you from a young age.
Yeah.
Uthi,
Yeah.
you're alone.
Yeah, and you are. I always tell my friends, some families, that in life you are alone. Whether abantu bathi how mina nginomama nginobaba ngithi, take this and never forget it. When you go to bed, that things make you're gonna take to your grave. Whether you were married, you have a wife and kids, that things when you lie on your back, they are yours. It's not secrets, they are yours. It's like now Skomora. Who has seen Uskomora?
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
That's not a secret. He really ukuthi. You understand? So imagine there's more things that you'll take to your grave.
Hey, there's a lot.
Not because it's secret or it won't come out. I'm trying to show you what you are alone. You are alone.
When did you realize you're alone? What age?
From an early age, from in Alan, nje kwazi ukuthi ngine kuku. Till today.
So
Angaze kwathiwa ngibuyele ekhaya or ngihlala nomngani because ngihlulekile about my own life. I know life yami icala qala. Ngeke ungithole ngigincika kuthiwa bathi.
How many friends did you lose in your upbringing? Because I mean, they were going to school. When are you busy selling your pussy?
Yeah. Fuck you, man. I was not selling my pussy. I was dating rich guys.
You said it.
I'm not selling now on stage. Now on stage, I'm saying I'm selling my body.
Yeah.
Because that's what people say.
Yeah.
You understand? No.
No, I'm just trying to take it back to like.
No, it's me telling the truth. You know, when you say selling, it's like Nazi teasers.
Yeah.
Which I just saw. I've never been there. Summit. I've
Royal.
never been there. Royal. I've never been in Hillbrow Street.
Why didn't you never work there?
I never knew. I never even knew Joburg. I never like my childhood is from selling beers, cigarettes at home, iskopo, amangina. You understand? Trying to go to school, but sometimes I'm hungry. Ngilele ngo 4, fune ngivuke ngigeza ngo 6, like ngiphethe ubuthongo. You understand? Nami sengigeza ngo 6, but sengiyabona ukuthi ngigezelani. Why should I go to school? You know, so the whole thing of telling the truth is because now I'm famous. There's no better way to put it. You understand? As in, now there's Umandla Mthembu, which I was poor. Bengenza no Umandla Mthembu. I was feeding myself. So that's how when you say pussy selling, it's you all knowing Umandla Mthembu. What is it that I was doing with him? I was feeding myself. You understand? Then after learning from ukuthi I can get money from a rich guy, uMacJay uyangishela ngise Sakhumzi, ngise Lichaba, ngise Ozone or Other Rock, ngiyazi ukuthi afuneka ungithengele champagne, ngiyayidinga le mali champagne. You understand? Because give me that money, you are my boyfriend, don't spoil me. You understand? Because ngiyazi you are married. After sleeping with me, you're going to call me after 3 days or 4 days. There's nothing that we're talking. You're going to tell me, baby, so bona Saturday. Saturday in, we go to those clubs. Don't buy that alcohol. Buy me Savannah. I'm okay. Give me that money, buzo. You spend,
Yeah.
Jail.
If you had known when you were young,
Yeah.
that you turn out to be the Zota that we know now,
Yeah.
would you have done things differently?
No regrets. I think this is the best I could have been myself. The best. Because even if bunginikeze amaqanda, if bungancinci, I think bengizoba useless. Some things I will lose in the long run. I will think people love me. I prefer people hating me, not knowing the real me. Have your thoughts. Iba nombono. It's none of my business. I'm happy with that because it shows you don't know me. You haven't given yourself time to know me. You understand? So, pick up right. I live better. angidingeka ukuthandwa futhi Sikhokho. Angifuni nje kwakuthandwa, but ngifuna na usho ukuthi uMacG ngiyakudinga on a Wednesday at 3 o'clock I'm there. Oskido Sikhokho ngifuna uzodla restaurant yami ngizobe ngikhona Friday I'm sorted. Tira Zodwa kune interview ofunekayo ubookiwe kuphi I'm sorted. Like in life yami is so clear njengamanzi that I don't need a lot of people liking me or faking it, because ngidila nginabantu that I take from, where I take impilo. Impilo is about work, money, and being happy and laughing with some people that you choose. You can't laugh with everybody. So like angibathandi. Angibathanda abantu. I love my people, as in my fans, but some people where we have to move, I don't move. I move with a reason. Why are we moving, or why are we even calling each other, or why I'm called? Yeah, you call me, this is why we're here. If anybody can call me tomorrow, I know why they called. You're not gonna call me because you say let's go and drink. You're not gonna call me and say, I take la kolihle. You're having ikthanda, like, you know, you just wanna come inside my car. You know, you're gonna fuck me up. You're gonna fuck my energies. You're gonna ruin my life. You know, I will not value life in him. So you should have value. You know, value could be, give me something why I should say I know you. Give me something. I don't want money. I don't want your bread. Give me something that I should say I know you. Even if I go to sleep, like I have a thought of that person as in a different day. That, you know, I remember Ngapugelwa Ihili, there was Icherega MacG out of nowhere. You'll never forget that person, you know. So there must be a reason. A reason. It's Western industry. A reason. Yeah. So all of the people in there, there's a reason.
So you've got the industry, like you said, when you do your work, you leave.
Yeah, fuck off.
You got social media. People are telling you shit. You don't care. You're doing your own thing.
Yeah.
You've got your family. They didn't treat you so nice growing up, but you're doing your own thing.
Yeah.
You've got these Ben 10s that come and go.
Yeah.
You keep doing your own thing.
Yes.
Who's the one person
Yeah.
that you really care about what they think? Or like, you know, when something is really, really bad, because you're human.
Yeah.
You know, when you're
Yeah.
really sad,
Oh,
that you
and
can
I love
call.
crying.
And you can call. Who's that one person?
Okay. I call myself.
You lie, Zodwa.
I'm telling you. Trust no one. The only person, if you feel sad, you feel broken, you feel empty, you feel like you are nothing, kneel. Tell God. You tell G, Shaikona, ungamboni nje. Hayi kuyanyiwa. They won't do anything for you. Fuck all this cock. If I had family, maybe I would say my mom or my father, ngiyacela 50 rand, this and that. If I ask money, imali engazi ukuthi ihlezi vele on my brand, or imali yokusasebenzisana on my brand. But on calling, no, unless uyangibhebha ke hayi ngizocela. But Skoko, I love crying and ngiyakuthanda, ngiyakenjoya, but with the purpose as in why I'm crying. Then I'll tell you I'm hurt. I tell me I'm hurt. I'm hurting. Zodwa nginesipili eside esibonisa from toe to head. You tell that mirror, emsuni kanyoka Zodwa, life le. Focus thintithe. Khalelani. After sengikhulumile kanjalo Sikhokho, sorted. Buyela back akunywe. I'm telling you.
That's crazy, Zodwa. You have 1 million followers on Instagram, but you're alone.
Alone. As we said, we are alone. Going back to our previous conversation. Don't tell me about Instagram. Those are not people. They're all like, but empty. akufuneki ukuthi baku-affect bathi uzodwa mubi. They shouldn't. Uzodwa ne-cellulite, uzodwa disene, angibezwa ngalutho ke labo angibezwa ngalutho. Ngitshele ngabantu engithi kuwe nangithi why bengifonela, I know ukuthi why ngifonela. You understand? Yeah. Abantu sikhokho hayi angidlali nje nabo.
You've been heard ne by abantu ne?
Kakhulu. I like that you saying it. Kakhulu angimthembi umuntu angimthandi umuntu. Angimfuni fuceleni kwami. Angimfuni. Ngimfuna ngibe ngimbheka ukuthi sikhiphani, ufunani. So ufuna ungitshela ukuthi ufunani.
So no one has been able to break this wall.
No, that's the only thing I protect. That's the only thing I pray about. That's the only thing. When I go to my bedroom, I lock the door. I forget ngomhlaba. Like, especially some, I don't even keep alcohol in my house. I don't let friends in my house. That's the only friend that knows my house, because there's a reason, again, why he's in my house. Because ebeshonelo gogo, and I had a break-in where I was broken. Like, I'm fucked. Like, come on. So we looked down. Who can take my stuff? You understand? My business machines, ukunda upchan, you know. Then my watches, my sneakers, ngizobuyela nini eDubai ngenduni yami. Because nobody zobe say shwabene ngeke umsozo ifuna eDubai. Bengithenge luggage, like you know when you go abroad, you make sure you buy the things you want and like, you understand? But have them taken away from you. Usazobuyela eAustralia, uzohambiswa bani eAustralia. You understand? Then ugogo wakashonile, I'm empty. I was empty. Alone in my house. Then he called, pick up at Durban station. I drove ngamlanda wangitshela ukuthi akazohamba nje ama-taxi wahambisa ku-level 5 bokunyiwa ungazuleki. Then ngaya ku-captain, knowing the right people, basenzela letter through me. Then I drove, saving myself, as in to take a drive, not knowing his house, where he comes from, but I drove, as in with everything on my name. And I drove, then that's how I healed. So sometimes, know only the people God allows you to know or give you. I love to bonko blay Jovbek. So anytime that I'm about to lose myself, God shows up. He never leaves me, Skoko. Never, 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 never. I trust him. I believe in him. Umuntu nje ekhohlwa sikho noma ngithengela ini ngizokubuka nje ngiyiboka ngithi why ungithengela. So isido yangishela, ngiyazi ukuthi yangishela, that's why ngithengele lento. But imagine nje ngene kule space kunabantu abawu 2000 ngicabanga ukuthi uzodwa abantu, I'm hot, I'm happening. No ways. Or 20 women want to sit at my booth. Obviously, they want to sit there. I'm Zodwa. They'll have drinks on me. You understand? So those people are empty. They're empty to me. You are nice extra. I see that you are empty. You are just trying to be extra.
Me, I'm empty. No, I'm kidding.
You know. So, here's abantu with value. Why are they calling you? Like, it's much easier to know good why umuntu ekufonela.
Are you spiritual? Because you've mentioned God a lot of times.
Yeah, I am.
Sorry, religious. Are you religious or spiritual?
Both. Both. Yeah.
And the reason why I asked
that, ingagezi kimi. Yeah, and kunezinto ezenzakayo empilweni yami ebezifuna mina, but zingangithinti, but ngibona ukuthi bize kimi. Yeah.
Do you know why I say that? Correct me if I'm wrong.
Okay.
I believe, like, And don't get me the wrong way. I'm not comparing you to a beggar or whatever.
Yeah.
But God will take a beggar, someone who has nothing,
Yeah.
and catapult them to the top
Yeah.
to show his power.
Yeah.
To show, like, if you believe in me,
Yeah.
this is what's possible.
That's me.
And I feel like you are that.
That's me. That's me. And I think you are born a futhi yanginyanyisa, like, not as in about God, futhi yanginyanyisa, like, you can't touch me. You can't do anything to me. I don't care whatever or how much money you have or whatever. If you are not genuine, you don't have good intentions, you are not doing God's work, you're just gonna be nothing or empty, and I'll see that you are empty. But you want me to feel you or to fear you or to be scared of you, I will look at you like, I'm not scared of you, you are empty.
What vibe did you get when you first met me today?
I've did my own research. I followed your
Small career.
your podcast, your interviews. I saw blah 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 blah. Okay, and now that you've shown me your real one, then I went like, he's cute, you know. He's cute. He's DJing here.
Oh, my Instagram.
Yes. Oh, he's cute. He's cute. He's cute. I allow people to be themselves because I'm me. I don't expect anybody to give me. If I'm giving you that chance, you won't get it ever. If you're gonna make me feel otherwise, we're not gonna.
So you felt good vibes when you met. You felt good vibes.
Yeah, I swear. So if you surround, there's gonna be a second chance, 2 hours, 3 hours. If it was a bad vibe, sithando sami awubekanga u40K la yamoto nje ngulo muntu like ancengi nje futhi nginjalo whether you say I'm co-professional or whatever, but
co-professional.
you know.
All right,
Yeah.
Zoto, we're gonna have some fun now, ne?
Yeah.
We're gonna play a game, and I thought, you're the only person who would play this game, because so many celebrities
wonder.
are scared of their brands and how people perceive them. But I know when I yonkin simbo ya wash.
Yes.
Did I say it right?
Yeah. Yes.
So what are we gonna do, ne?
Yeah.
I bought this thing. It's a vibrator, right?
Oh
You're
my
gonna put it.
God.
You can either put it in your panty or inside, whatever you wanna
Okay.
do.
I don't wear pants, so I'll put it inside.
Yeah, and then I'll have the remote, and then I'm gonna do the same.
Okay.
Ghost lady wants me to put it up my anus. Do you think I should put up my anus
No.
in the
No,
front, ne?
No, but
the front.
that's where his G spot is.
Oh,
in order
okay.
to be fair.
So I'll put mine up my anus.
Yeah, boy.
Okay.
And then podcast tabak. It's
right.
making me do shit I've never done before. So this is the thing. What we're gonna do? We're gonna take a break, ne?
Yeah.
So you're gonna put this on. I'll put on my one as well.
Okay.
We're gonna play a game. I'm gonna ask you questions.
Yeah.
No. How does the game? Let me tell you. Okay. So I'm gonna ask you sexual questions.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna try guess.
Okay.
So I'll ask you like, have you kissed a boy?
Yeah.
And if you have,
Yeah.
and I say you have, then that means I'm right, and then I'll press the buzzer.
Okay.
And then when you are wrong,
Yeah. Vice versa.
vice versa. You get it, ne?
But
Yeah.
I will handle the buzzer, right?
Oh, yeah,
Okay.
you can handle the
Yes,
buzzer.
I handle the
How long are we going to let it vibrate for? 10, 15, 20 seconds?
No. Oh, yeah.
5
Nah.
seconds.
5 seconds.
5 seconds.
Ufuna ngiqhame in.
Hey.
All right, cool. Let's take a break. We're going to get these things on, and then we're going to come back and play that game. Are you ready?
Yep, I'm
All
ready.
right, let's do it. Let's do it, Zotoa.
Sure, lovely.
Sweet.
Podcast and chill. Mac G, the Ghost Lady, and Len Moleko.